Sharing a shopping list with dealers contacts step-by-step tutorial. On EQUINET, you can easily share your shopping list with your local dealer or other contacts in the form of an Excel file and simply place an order to restock your inventory. To share your shopping list, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the dashboard. Step 2. Click on Shopping Lists. Step 3. Select the shopping list you wish to send. Step 4. Click on Share with Dealer. Step 5. Choose if you want to send the list through EQUINET or through your device. If you choose to send it through EQUINET, this will bring up the contacts you have listed as a dealer, and you can choose who to send the list to. We recommend you include your trusted dealers in your contacts first. You can also choose to send the list via your device, through email, SMS, social media, etc. The dealer and yourself will receive an email containing the order. We recommend that the first time you send an email to the dealer, you contact them to inquire whether they have received your order, as it may end up in the junk email folder. When the order is received, simply click the Add to Inventory button in the shopping list, and it will be added to your inventory. Thank you for watching. And remember, we are always just a call or message away.